you're watching E-News of IPR Department with me, Manisha. Let's look at today's news bulletin. In commemoration of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, Culture Department is also organizing a series of programs. For this Independence Day celebration 2021, the department is presenting a series of patriotic and traditional songs and dances started from 9th till 15th August. One of the important initiatives of the commemoration of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav is people participation in singing India's national anthem and uploading on the portal rashtragan.in. The Ministry of Culture, Government of India has requested all the states, union territories to make this a popular campaign. There is an immediacy attached to this initiative as the uploaded videos will be played on 15th August 2021. It has also been requested to all the secretaries in charge of the departments that have a direct connections with local self-government to run a campaign to connect the maximum number of people to ensure that they upload their videos singing the Rashtragan on the portal. It is further informed that the person who uploads the national anthem will get a certificate. The Chief Minister Sri Prem Singh Tamang called on the Union Finance Minister and Corporate Affairs Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman at Parliament House, New Delhi yesterday. During the call-on, Chief Minister expressed his gratitude for the opportunity to place the proposal about imposing of cess on the output of pharma products produced within the boundaries of Sikkim and levy of cess on each unit of hydropower generated. He added that through these proposals, the state government have envisaged striking a balance between the tax where it originates and tax where it accrues. Referring to the proposal to the group of ministers of the GST Council, he stated that through they have been very considerate towards the fiscal stress of Sikkim and the need for additional resources, they do not specifically mention the proposal of levy of cess. In this regard, Chief Minister submitted a proposal and requested for the centre to impose a cess on the organised manufacturing output produced in Sikkim and assign it to the state. Similarly, Chief Minister also requested for the Government of India to examine the request of the state government to provide a special packages of assistance to tide over the financial stress caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. As suggested by the GOM regarding the special package, he stated that the state government has prepared a first support proposal and a roadmap in the report for the revival of the economy of Sikkim. The Union Minister agreed to support the state through a special package to fill the gaps of the GST and similar taxes which has decreased due to the pandemic. Minister Sri B.S. Pant, ACS Secretary to HCM and Resident Commissioner were also present during the call-on. Chief Minister Sri Prem Singh Tamang also called on the Union Minister of Road Transport and Highways Sri Nitin Gadkari at Transport Bhavan, New Delhi the same day. Chief Minister expressed his gratitude for all the support extended towards the development of Sikkim and apprised the Union Minister about the road network in the state. In this regard, he submitted a proposal mentioning the construction and repair of several highways, bridges, drainage and restoration of roads damaged by the monsoon throughout Sikkim. The Union Minister assured to look into the matter and stated that the projects related to the roads will be included in Bharatmala Pariyojana and also assured to look into the matter of roads damaged by the monsoon. He further asked the Chief Minister to send a proposal including ropeway projects in Sikkim. Minister Sri Samrup Lepcha, Secretary to HCM and other officials of the state government were also present during the meeting. A meeting to review projects of REC Foundation and Niti Aayog under Aspirational District was held yesterday at the conference hall of District Administrative Centre, Rathansi. The meeting was chaired by the District Collector West, Mr. Karma R. Bampo, and had the presence and participation of SDM Headquarter, Mr. Anand Jain, Additional Director Education Department, Mr. K.C. Gatso, and representatives from concerned departments. The District Collector highlighted the projects under REC Foundation and Niti Aayog and inquired about the projects which was completed and those on the verge of completion. Further, he discussed such projects which dealing with strengthening school libraries, laboratories, renovation of hostels and provision of furniture. He inquired about the number of book sales and book received till date. Additionally, he suggested to expedite the process of construction of laboratories. Further, the DC suggested to promote sports activities based on availability of playground and asked to submit list of schools having auditorium and stated that such schools will be provided indoor sports kits. He further suggested to start conducting virtual classes and monthly meeting through video conferencing to make use of digital systems. He further asked for a proactive roles from the school heads. Later, the DC asked the representatives to submit the utilization report at the earliest and said that first phase of the project should be completed within this month. This much for today. We'll be back with the more updates. Keep watching E-News of IPR Department. Thank you.